This is the unboxing of the Pheanoo 2.1 channel soundbar with subwoofer. So I'm going to open this, open this, and I'll open that. And here you have your components, your soundbar, your subwoofer. Check out this little box first. It's a box of boxes. You've got your little welcome letter, you've got your setup guide, you've got your user manual, and then in this box you've got your different cords that you might need, some padding you might use, cords and things like that. This box has your remote control. Here you have the actual subwoofer. So this is your subwoofer here. Here, have your soundbar. It's got a protective sheet over the back, but that is the actual soundbar. You've got all the inputs you need: auxiliary, optical, HDMI TV ARC, and your subwoofer out. All right there.